you can have a really straightforward graph, like a vertex set of 1, 2, 3, and you can have an undirected graph where the edge set is just 1, 2, 2, 3. And this is a graph. This is a vertex set and an edge set. But then if you try to draw a diagram for this, you can draw infinitely many different diagrams for the same graph. So here's one, and here's another slightly different diagram, and here's another diagram that's flipped in terms of how we might think about the normal order, and here's a diagram where instead of going left to right, we go up and down, etc. The visual representations of this, these are 4 different diagrams for the same graph. We then come along and say, well, what if we take something that structurally is the same, but simply has a different labels on the vertices? So what if we said that the vertex set is ABC, and the edge set is AB and BC? Now this, if we draw a diagram, will look like, and our original graph of 1, 2, 3 looked like this. But these are not the same graph. These are different graphs because they have different vertex sets and different edge sets. And there's something that feels really wrong about that. Don't you agree? Like, yes, technically these are different graphs, but they have the same structure. They have exactly the same pieces. And so it feels like there should be some way to say that these are the same. So these graphs are isomorphic. Iso means same. Morphos means shape, like metamorphosis, or other words you can think of, morphology. Because they have the same shape, we say that they are isomorphic. So they're not the same graph, but they are isomorphic graphs. And isomorphic gets this idea of having the same structure.